Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to post a story in TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's go to the TikTok app, so here it is. Now we need to click on this plus icon in the bottom, so let's click here. You can simply click photo or record video from here, or you can upload it using this upload icon in the bottom right corner. So let's go for this photo and click on next. To add any sound, you can add it from here. So here are the sounds you want to add. Here you can choose any sound you want to add, or you can search it in the search bar as well. So let's go for this. Now you need to click on your story icon in the left. So let's click here. Now it's uploading. So now your story is finally uploaded. You can see it. So this is how we can upload our story in TikTok. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again.